Ginger root. Ginger is filled with natural oils and compounds like gingerol that fight inflammation. This little root helps warm the joints, reduce stiffness, and ease swelling in the knees. 1/2 garlic head. Garlic is well known for fighting inflammation, especially in the knees, where it helps ease pain and stiffness. It also improves blood circulation, bringing more comfort and flexibility to the joints. 1 red onion. It works wonders for painful knees. Red onion is rich in natural antioxidants and sulfur compounds. These elements help calm inflammation in the joints, reduce swelling and improve blood circulation around the knees. Next, add 5 black peppercorns and 5 cloves. Pepper warms the body and improves circulation. Cloves bring their natural strength to calm pain and swelling. Together, they make our remedy even more powerful. Pour everything over with vegetable oil. Then take a pot, place a cloth on the bottom, and set our jar inside. Pour water into the pot. This will be a gentle water bath for our oil. Cook it slowly for 40 minutes. Let it cool down. Now strain the oil and pour it into a clean glass container. It can be stored in the fridge for a long time. Apply to the affected areas using massaging motions. This simple remedy works like a natural anti-inflammatory and gently pulls the pain away.